What's up, everyone? We are here at Woodward West with Emma.
Yeah.
And Emma is standing on what is
called a vert ramp. That is
huge.
Very scary.
It's a very huge ramp.
That we are not sure if Emma is going to do.
All right, so you don't have to, but you do have to drop in on the resi.
Deal.
Okay, deal. We're gonna go do some drop-ins on the resi, hopefully. Maybe drop in on some vert. We're gonna have a good time.
Emma's road to sponsorship.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't even want to stand
Uzi,
up there.
You're doing it
Uzi,
too,
you know
right?
you're doing this too, right?
No shot.
You owe him since you just chipped his board.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
He has a board company.
So?
Do you want to do it? You feel comfortable doing it a few times?
Yeah.
You could do like, we'll do like 4 or 5 drop-ins. Do 2 on this side, 2 on that side.
Just how do you like warm up for this?
Honestly, for something like this, you just have to do it. Like, it's something that you kind of know when you're skating other like kind of big stuff. So with her saying she's confident, I'm pretty sure she's confident.
Oh, I've never been more confident with anything in my life.
Confidence. Confidence is key. That's a big bump down there. You got this?
You got this.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, drop in on it to help Emma. So you gotta help inspire her.
Oh.
Just full send it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so scared. You go first again.
Yeah, again. Literally, foot over the bolts. Just stomp it.
Yeah, Nigel. Emma! Uzi! You guys can do it! You guys can do it!
Honestly, it's more of a mental thing. It's once you get in and you go, it's like normally dropping in. It's just you're gonna go a lot faster.
Come on, Dan. You are a vert skater.
You know what I think we should do? I think we should go skate around the park because you just got here. You haven't even done anything.
All right.
Does that sound better?
Yeah.
We gotta do some confidence.
Yeah, you just got here for sure.
All right, here. Let me just explain something right quick. See, what just happened is the exact opposite of what is preached in Skateboarding Made Simple. It's like on flat ground when you just learn how to push and then you try to go straight for a kickflip. You got to do the previous steps.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say like we should have just done that. I was gonna be like, Dave, I'm gonna make you do it.
No, I was gonna say Aaron's whole thing is, you know, working up to it.
Yeah.
So doing that straight up probably would have not been good.
No, not at all. We're gonna go over here. Emma, you got this one all day, right?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Warm up.
This one's easy. This
Warm up
one I can do.
Oh!
Easy. And with the board catch pop out. Easy.
That one's kind of scary a little bit.
A little bit. All right, well then do this one again.
It's like easy, but it's like scary.
Do this one again, too, to make it true it. All right, one more. And then we're moving on. A little better? A little better? All right. I'm gonna say this right now. We're not gonna do it yet. If you can do this one, you can do that one. Cause it's literally almost the exact
Vert
same
or
amount
resi?
of vert because it's just, well, not almost the same amount. So the vert on there is probably like 3-4 feet, which I think is traditional vert for almost anything. This is like what, a foot, 2 feet? So if you could do this, it's like, it's the same exact as that. It's just you're gonna fall for a half a second longer, which you're not gonna feel because you're gonna be going. With that being said, how's this one looking for you?
I can do this one for sure.
You can do this one?
Oh, I'm scared. I came in full confidence and then.
Keep it full confidence.
Keep it there, yeah.
You know what Andy Anderson taught me? Tiger eyes. You gotta like charge it. You gotta have those eyes ready. Tiger eye it.
Oh shoot.
You got it, Emma.
I know. I have to like put my board down and like go. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, ready? After Uzi, just go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This isn't even that bad.
No, it's not.
It's like not even bad. I don't know why I'm doing this.
Just do it. Just go like this.
It's like
Don't
not
think
even.
about it.
You have your supporters up there, look.
Look at it. She said you got it.
You do it. All right, I'll do it. Okay.
Right here, just do it. Don't look, just go. Drop in.
There
Yeah, there you go.
That was pathetic.
Not bad, right?
2 to make it true.
Do it again.
Run it back.
Easy.
Easy.
How was that?
Too easy.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Got it. Do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah, just to make sure. No problem. I'm trying to think of what would be the next step other than that, but I think anything in between this and that is outside. I think you're ready for that one. I really do. I think it's just gonna be a more mental thing than anything.
All right, Uzi, you two up there.
I can't do it. I'm not
not meant to be a vert skate. And then you just went for it.
Oh, that really makes me want to do it now.
Well, one, he hesitated, and two, what I was gonna say is I think it's easier if you like try and stay closer to the ramp. Does that make sense? When you drop in, you kind of like, you just gotta like trust yourself, full commit.
Oh, I do not want to do this. This is so scary.
You gotta think of Uzi as the worst case scenario for every situation. He's the clumsiest out of all of us. He literally, I'm surprised he didn't do that on the 6-foot one. All right, Emma, you got this.
Oh.
You got it, 100% commit. Don't hesitate. Literally just drop it and
Don't look at it, just do it. Doug, what are your thoughts?
Let's do it.
You did it.
If Doug does it, you can do it?
No. Oh my gosh. Do you see how sketchy that was?
But he did it, and you rolled away fine. You got it. The real thing is if Doug does it again, then you know it's easy. Look at that. Second one was easy.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like by the time you actually drop in, you're already going to be halfway down the ramp.
Once you do that part, there, yeah. As long as you
Yeah, like literally by the time you drop in there, it's going to feel exactly like that
if you
one.
fully commit and push it down, it's gonna be natural to roll.
Whenever he does it, my heart's like,
But he rolls away fine every single time. It's all you. Just do it.
oh my gosh. We should do this and not the vert ramp. Yeah?
So what's going through your mind?
Scary.
What's scary about it? Is it because it's just taller?
Yeah, and it's like there's like a vert on it, and like look how much your board sticks up.
You know what happens as soon as you push down? It immediately goes. And then you know how quickly it does that? Not quick enough, because then you're already down there. And you're out of the vert. You feel zero vert. It's
Promise?
all transition. I promise. You feel zero. And same with that. You feel zero vert. It's all transition as soon as you go in. You're just thinking about it. You're overthinking it right now. Since you're sitting down, watch my board.
Okay, it doesn't look that bad.
Do you see how everything like contacted immediately?
Yeah.
That's exactly how it
do
is.
it one
I
more
didn't
time.
feel any vert.
Do it one more time.
I'll try and go slow.
Oh, he definitely felt the vert on that one. You felt the vert on that one, huh?
Because I went slow.
There you go. There you go.
You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
All right. Go. You want to go outside to the outside bowl and try another one? I think it's...
I can do all of this.
You can do the one that's outside?
Yeah.
Do you want to go try one of those? Because I think it's in between this and that. So now we have Kim to the outside intermediate bowl in between.
I feel like this is the same as a 7.
I feel like it is the same as the 7.
Because I can do this easy. We can go do the resi.
That is so cool.
I think I'd be less scared of the resi.
Really? That's up to you.
Do the resi and call it?
Sure. I'm down with that. That was the point of the video.
That was the point.
I mean, the only reason we took you to the 9-foot was for you to warm up, but if you think the resi's easier, let's just go do that.
I think you should do this side. This side looks the tallest.
Nah, this is bigger.
No, this is definitely scary.
Send it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I'm going to put my board down one more time and I'm going to do it.
You promise?
Promise.
All right.
Told you.
I did the 9-foot, everybody. There you go.
All right,
Hey,
cool.
That is pretty tall though.
Hey, do this one.
All right, let's go resi.
I'm going to go up and I'm going to drop it.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, no, seriously. You know how many people you got watching this video right now, wanting to see you progress?
A lot.
How many people you're inspiring by doing this, if you do it,
A few.
when you do it?
When I do it?
Right now.
I'm ready. I'm going to go up and do it. You could probably hear my heart beating with this mic.
Now's your time. Just do it.
I know. I don't know why I'm so scared. It's like not even scary. It's just like scary.
It's not
Like
at
I
all.
know that it's not scary. It's just scary.
Yeah, you can't just sit there. You just gotta go.
I'm so scared. I so know I can do it.
I know you can. Don't tense up. You're super overthinking.
I do have to do it.
You're super overthinking.
I am so
You're
overthinking.
so in your mind right now. As soon as you do it, this video's over. We can get Slurpees and chill.
Oh, come on! That little thing you do is scarier than just dropping in.
I don't know if I can do it.
You can do it. Not with that attitude, you can't. You can do it if you're like, I got this.
Oh my gosh. I don't know why it's so scary. I'm so sorry. Dude, I cannot do it.
All right, Today was not the day, and honestly, I think it's just because you weren't feeling it, right?
Yeah.
It's fine. It happens some days. It's just not your day, and if it's not your day, you definitely don't want to push anything you don't feel comfortable with, because that's how you get hurt, and we don't want anyone getting hurt, especially Emma. So this is going to be a to be continued episode. I don't know when, how, or where, but maybe if you come back here and film a clip of yourself doing it or something and send it to us, then we'll release this video. But major props, because Emma really did push herself. She really did go through a lot of those drop-ins that she was kind of sketched out about. She progressed today, and that's all that matters. So leave her a nice supportive comment right down there, and give her some motivation and go and do it. Hashtag Emma drop in, or what is it? What's the hashtag? What should it be?
I like Emma dropping. I mean, it sounds good.
So hashtag Emma drop in. It's a new movement, and let's get it going. You still killed it. Wait.
Oh.
There you go. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you should follow Emma on Instagram at emma.skates. Her last name is Skates. See you next time.